Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before anything else, I just want to thank all my subscribers for helping me reaching over 500 subs. Thank you very much. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and push the notification bell button to keep updated for more unboxing videos. For today's unboxing toy review, we have something from Funko Pop, a 2019 Fall Convention exclusive from the anime hit series My Hero Academia. Two most popular villains in the series, Dabi and Hero Killer Stain. So let's begin. Share ko lang guys, so itong dalawang to ay future Grails ng Funko Pop My Hero Academia. Nabili ko yan 25 Singapore dollars each, pero ngayon ganito na ang price nila. So medyo tumataas na. Siyempre, pag in-unbox mo sila, medyo bumababa ang value nila. Pero for the sake of unboxing, siyempre, bubuksan natin sila. Simulan natin kay Dabi. Yan yung sticker niya, Fall Convention. So, may dalawang klase ng sticker. Isang Fall Convention at yung isa ay NYCC, New York Comic Con. So, ayan yung front box. Side. So yung base na niya, parang nakadikit na sa kanya yung flame niya. Yan na yung pinaka-base na. Hero Killer Stain. So, same sila ng sticker. Box. Wala din siyang base stand. Parang ang pinaka-base niya na is yung bandana niya. Parang siyang Ninja Turtle. That's it for today. If you enjoy watching my video, please do subscribe and push the notification bell button to keep updated for more unboxing videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!